Hi, today on Caloti, I'll show you how to compare salons and stylists before you book.
As a visitor, start on search. Look up a salon by name and open the result. Here you can weigh up location, services, pricing, and ratings, plus where to book, all before signing up. Now over to stylist search. Open a profile to see their experience, you can size up specialties, the business, portfolio, and the individual professional before ever creating an account.
You've got everything to choose the right salon or stylist with confidence. That's the Caloti difference.